Hey, honey, where we going?
Liloan.
Liloan, what's there?
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. This is perfect because I got the perfect shirt on for dragon fruit. I'm all flashy like a big dragon. So this is quite cool. Liloan, what is dragon fruit anyway? Because I don't know what dragon fruit is.
Related to cactus.
So it's related to a cactus.
Yeah.
And you eat it?
Yeah.
I never heard of eating a cactus unless you're making like alcohol.
The fruit, man.
Oh, the fruit off of it.
Yeah.
Let's go check out this dragon fruit and see how much we're going to bring home, because I'm guessing you want to bring some home. So we're going to go get some dragon fruit. Let's go. So here we are.
Many na people, man.
And I got a lot of people here where we're getting jackfruit. When we left, it was very nice out, but now it's not so nice. It got real cloudy real fast on us. Signing in?
Signing in log, sir.
Okay. This is pretty. Dragon fruit.
Arala sa tamam ha. Entrance mo. Venus daw. Baybat daw.
Sila pa yan.
40 ma'am.
Got starting to rain here.
Yo, look at the water. It's kuan. It's in the mountain kay nag-floods there. Look at the water.
Yeah, we got some flooding going on here already. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of muddy out here right now. It wasn't this bad.
Nice over.
It wasn't this bad when we left the house. It was sunny and hot. We got over here and it rained. But then it cleared up when we got here, but now the rain's come back.
Again.
It's raining again. Let's get get a view of what it looks like here.
Nice, no?
So these are the what are they called?
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit trees. And these are really thick too.
Yeah, like cactus.
It's like a cactus if I can get in here. It's supposed to be related to the cactus. Whoa, too close. But they got thorns on them. They're very sharp, very thick.
Mo inom ka, ate? You wanna try their shake?
Whatever you want to do, huh? You want to shake?
Yeah, there. Oh, we will order. Jamboy, pagtuwa, Jamboy. Hey, sit down ta here na.
So how do they get them to, what is that, concrete middle, or is that?
Concrete, cement.
And then they do what with it?
For the posting so that the dragon fruit will like
a vine?
Yeah, they will stay there. Like the foundation ba for the jackfruit, and then they put a rubber
like a rubber tire.
Yeah, that's a rubber tire so that when the dragon fruit there's a bloom, they will spread like that.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I see the tire on top.
Yeah.
So I can zoom in on it.
I think they are already harvested because it's already mostly green in this area.
Yeah. There's a big one right there. We've got a good rattle of thunder just now. Here in Liloan. Now, when we came up here, you told us that this was close by. This is close in Liloan, and we traveled up this mountain about how long? 30 minutes?
Maybe. I thought because they said it's only in Kuan.
They were wrong. Hot dog. Look, they have red hot dogs here in this country, and I don't understand that. Red hot dogs.
Yeah.
Red, that's right, red.
Wow, mini kayo na. Itong mag-paint na siya, Han. It's so pretty. Hey, we will not go there. It's so far. They're the same. Yeah, baby. This is still a baby. Mama. Yeah, mama.
The green ones.
Yeah.
They're infested with ants too. I see a lot of ants in there.
tita. Si Kaka o si tita. Small baby. Yeah, baby.
The sky has gotten darker. Yeah, we've already had some rain. It's getting really bad over here. But we may want to be heading out of here. This may be a very short video.
Yeah, more and more. Big boy. Oh.
But yeah, tons of
Oh,
these
see?
trees.
Many fruits. Oh.
I mean, there are just tons of these trees here. I guess they're trees. Got some construction going on right there.
Anak ka sa center, tara nga imong hat. Ibalik. O, ato ka kay model na ko. Kay si baby nag. Oh, what's that? It's a flying fruit. See?
These are the jackfruit.
Jackfruit, dragon fruit.
Or dragon fruit. I keep saying jackfruit. Dragon fruit.
Here, daddy ko na. Picture the bear. Ate, sibuk ate, picture na ako ate. Ate. Ay, bye,
Oh, what happened? Did it bite you? Yeah. Let's see what's inside. What is that inside there?
That's, the black one is the seeds.
Oh, the black are the seeds? Okay.
Yeah. Man. Okay. Di na ka.
We got a place to eat outside. Tents. We need them today because it's very, very, very cloudy. Looks like it's going to rain.
Just papalitan ko.
Oh! Made you look.
I walk. Another baby, oh, si Ding Ding, Ding Ding. Watch out, motor.
Don't let go of the baby.
Ay! Ay! Yeah!
Sorry stores, some bananas.
Yeah. Ani, ate, pag-watch, ate, kaya ito. Nana!
Yeah. Food smells really good.
Ya, tadinya apa misir ada ributan. Tapi dari dragon fruit.